Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and I don't know about you, but the first time I step on a crunchy leaf outside, my mind thinks one thing: man, I need a pumpkin beer. Well, today we're not actually going to be doing a pumpkin beer. We're going to do something a little different, but yet the same. So it is that time of year where pumpkin beers are all over the place. And to be honest, I do think pumpkin beers are just okay. I like trying all of them because, well, I like trying weird beers, and pumpkins are usually some of the weirder flavors out there. Now, there are a few pumpkin beers out there that I could probably say are the kings of pumpkin beer. But there was one brewery that decided to kick it up a notch with their pumpkin beer and do something a little bit different with it and turn it into a whiskey. So today we're going to be checking out Southern Tier's Pumking Whiskey. Pumpkin whiskey. Pumpkin whiskey. Pumpkin whiskey. Whiskey. Now this is what trick-or-treating for adults is like. This whiskey comes in at a 35% ABV, a 0 IBUs, and it gets no Untappd rating because it's a whiskey. All treat, no trick. Pumking Whiskey is a spirited version of our namesake and a high-proof addition to the royal family, with notes of pumpkin pie spice like cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, and even hints of whipped cream and crust. Pumking Whiskey is a treat among tricks. Corn whiskey with natural pumpkin pie flavors, other natural flavors, and caramel color. Okay, so Southern Tier's Pumpking Whiskey. Yeah, I wasn't gonna need that much as I pour, so. Whew, I can smell it. I can smell sweet, sugary, actually. Vanilla, lot of vanilla, like a whipped cream, which is actually part of the description, so hey. Whoa, lots of sugar, but there's a, I'm betting this isn't aged that long. It still smells pretty harsh. There's a big aroma to it, but there's a lot of candy sweetness aroma. It's weird. It's like vanilla, cinnamon, and hairspray. It pleases the nostrils as it's burning them. Okay. Whoa. Well, that is thick. I mean, it is like a dessert wine thick. It is sticky. Even little bits around this bottle feel sticky. You taste the sugar. You taste the additives. I don't know if I get pumpkin spices or pumpkin pie out of it. Vanilla for sure. Almost more of like candy corn. If they said this was candy corn whiskey, I would believe that. And it's only 70 proof. So yeah, whatever they added diluted it down a lot, and it shows. I get a lot of marshmallow. This is interesting because it's giving me other notes of desserts I would probably have during the fall, like a nice vanilla ice cream over a pie, or marshmallow, which would be on top of your yams, but not pumpkin pie. I mean, I guess that could be considered some of the buttery crust, but I don't get cinnamon, I don't get nutmeg. I mean, there's a spiciness on the nose, but to me, it smells more like breakfast marshmallows and cocoa powder, not cinnamon, nutmeg, clove. I'm sure there's like, you know, some people put a little bit of ginger in there, even pumpkin pie, but this is pumpkin pie spices, so there's no pumpkin in this. I don't know. So Southern Tier's Pumking Whiskey, I don't know how much I like it. I am not one of those flavor vodka guys. If you are one of those, I'm betting you would probably love these. If your significant other is one of those, they would probably like this a lot too. I have let other people try this and they also have stated it is too sweet. So maybe you do want to use one of their cocktail recipes. I don't know. It's sweet. It's very, very sweet. But if you like that type of stuff, this is something to keep around. But for me, I think I'll use it to keep torturing my friends. I get diabetes. See you guys later. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media stuff. The links will be at the very bottom of the description. Have you ever tried a pumpkin whiskey? Have you ever got to try pumpkin beer or their whiskey? Southern Tier makes some other interesting looking whiskeys and some really good ones. They got a hot one I really want to try to get. So let me know if you can get a hold of it and shoot me a little DM or comment below. See you guys.